Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another Python practice breakdown video. Today I am on week 20 of Data in Motion's Python challenges. So let's go ahead and get started with the instructions. The instruction is to write a function called number compare. This function takes in two parameters, both numbers. If the first is greater than the second, this function returns first is greater. If the second number is greater than the first, the function returns second is greater. Otherwise, the function returns numbers are equal. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already made my skeleton where I defined the function number compare, and then I passed in both numbers, which I called num1 and num2. And I also created a main where I am going to test my function to make sure everything is working correctly. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you look at the instructions here, you see that we have three conditions. The first one is if the first is greater, we'll return something. The second condition is if the second number is greater, we'll return something. And then it has otherwise the numbers are equal. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the first condition. So it's if the first is greater than the second, then it returns first is greater. So we'll say if num1 is greater than num2, we're going to return, and I'm just going to grab this and copy and paste. So that's the first condition. If num1 is greater than num2, we're going to say first is greater. And then we'll do our second condition. We'll say elif num num2 is greater than num1. We're going to return second is greater. So I'm going to grab this and just plop it down there. And then else we're going to return numbers are equal. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to plop it down here. And I do have to change the quotations because sometimes when you bring them over, it doesn't recognize them for some reason. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this code and see what we get back. So on the first one, we got the second is greater. On the second one, we have 8 and 8. We got that both numbers are equal. And then on the last one, we got first is greater. So it looks like everything is working correctly here. Let me know how you would have went about solving this solution. Let me know if you have any tips or ideas for me to improve my code. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Everyone have a good day. Bye-bye.